Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to check recent Uber rides. If you want to check your recent rides on Uber application, then first of all, open up the Uber app on your smartphone or your tablets and make sure that you're signed in. Once logged in, from the home page of Uber, go ahead and click on Activity at the bottom. Under Activity, you will see all of your recent trips or past history. If you don't have any, you will not be able to see any and you'll be labeled as you don't have any recent activity. But if you do, your recent rides will be displayed on the page. So that's how you view your recent activity or history on Uber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.